Hi everyone, thanks for joining me for another video. This one's a little different for me, so I hope I don't have any technical difficulties. But I was just about to sit down and start planning for next week when I thought, I might go check the letterbox, and this is what was in there. So this is the GP Sticker Studio March Mystery Kit, and I thought I could open it with you guys as well. So I can't remember exactly what was listed as being in here, but I really like the purple colours already. So just open it in. So this image here was the little teaser that was listed with the advertisement on Instagram for it as well. So, and I know that there is, you can see the journaling card here, and I think this is the deluxe sampler. So this is super cute. You can already see the purples and greens. I always use all of these icons there, I think, in all the GP Sticker Studio samplers, and I absolutely love them. Then this is the journaling card. So just dream, plan, do on that one with, it looks like hollow foil, super cute. Oh. And then here we have, these look like overlays. So this is super exciting. I've never used overlays before, and I always see everyone purchasing not only the sheets, but their tapes as well. So I think this will be really good to see if I like using those. And again, they're like a silver hollow foil, super cute. Alrighty, so this is the kit. I really like the colors in this one. I think the purple and green is not something that I've really ever used together. And I think probably not something I would go for if there were other colorways, like pastels or some cute like tropical kind of colors, like a bit brighter. But this is super cute. You've got all of your headers. And then I really like these little sticky note boxes. I feel like they fit really well in my inserts that I use. Then this one has some more headers and then these little decorative icons as well. I do also love that GP kits come with 2 weekend banners, and if I'm not mistaken, there should be 2 sets of day covers in there as well. Super cute. So here are the full boxes. These are all really cute. I don't tend to use these a lot, so I'll see if I can make use of them. I definitely really like this one because in my planner, I tend to turn them that way, and it doesn't change it doesn't look like it's been turned. Do you know what I mean? So I really like those as well. Now this is the double box. So, I mean, my planner doesn't really have enough space for that, but I might be able to find another use for this. Although I definitely like all of these script stickers. So I'll probably use most of those. I really like, these are so cute, and the work ones as well. I love that. And then there's some washi strip stickers here as well. Here are some of the other half and quarter boxes. Beautiful. These are really cute. I really like these. And then here are the bottom washi, which, as you guys probably know if you've seen some of my other videos, I usually use these at the top of the page, but I might be able to get away with using some down the side as well. I don't really care. They're really cute. I like those. And then here are the heart checklists, which again, I don't really tend to use. These are the things I always have a full sheet left over from a kit. So I might make more of a conscious effort to use these when I use this kit as well. And there's some extra boxes down there and an extra weekly checklist as well. So there was one in one of the previous pages, and I use these every single week without fail. Cool. And then, as I said, there's the 2 sets of day covers and then the date dots there. And then these little decorative stickers are so cute. I like that there's really, really tiny ones in there because you can fit those in those little gaps that just need a little something in there as well. That is the kit. I'm really happy with this kit. I'm glad I took the plunge and ordered a mystery kit. This will last me, honestly, all of this stuff will last me so long. I could probably use the mystery kit for the whole month, but I'll see if I end up getting the April one. I think you have to order by the 20th, if I'm not mistaken. I'll pop a link down below with a direct link to get the April kit in there if this is something you're interested in. I just really liked the idea of ordering something and not knowing, because sometimes I get in my own head too much and I'll have 50 tabs open on my computer with all these stickers I want to buy, and then I just buy nothing. Anyway, that is all I have with this video here. I hope you enjoyed this little short unboxing, I guess. And if you want to leave a comment down below, let me know what you think and if you'd want to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks so much. Bye.